Melbourne Central is the home of the largest LEGO certified store in the Southern Hemisphere. The store offers a bricktastic shopping experience for LEGO enthusiasts of all ages. Home to an extensive and awesome range of LEGO sets, including new and hard-to-find sets, the store lets you demonstrate your creativity via fun, innovative hands-on experiences. Make sure you check out the LEGO Mosaic Maker, where visitors can create their own personalized portrait of themselves using LEGO bricks. Don't miss the pick and build wall, where you can choose the bricks and elements you want in all different shapes and colors. And let your creativity lead the way at the Build a Minifigure station, where you can mix and match from a wide selection of bottoms, tops, heads, hair pieces and accessories to customize your own LEGO minifigures. The interactive storytelling table, which brings to life the stories behind the sets available in store, a must-see for adult brick fans. Whether you're shopping for kids, adults, amateurs, aficionados, or even yourself, our talented team of brick specialists will help you find the perfect LEGO set for any age, price range, skill level, or interest. This LEGO shop is the one where you can find many hard-to-find LEGO sets. It's also very interesting how with most of the displays with the LEGO sets, you're able to touch them and hold them and take them apart and put them back together. There are also many cool LEGO display models there, like there's a giant brick-built tram, which is cool. Anyways, this is a cool store at Melbourne Central. Definitely one to visit with the kids. We will return. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide playlist. Please like, share and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.